Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Aruj Muzaffar from University of Southern Punjab. Into our previous lecture, we were discussing what is essay writing, how can we improve our essay writing, and what are the techniques that can be adopted to make our essay a bit better from our previous writing that we had been writing into our creative form. Well, it is a common observation that when students hear the word essay writing, many of them immediately feel nervous because maybe because they think it is something very complicated. However, essay writing is actually a very natural process. Every day we think about different topics, we form opinions, and we explain our thoughts to other people. Essay writing is simply the written form of that same process. It is a way of organizing our ideas and presenting them clearly so that the reader can understand what we are trying to say. One important thing to remember is that a good essay does not happen suddenly. It is the result of careful thinking, planning, and clear expressions. Many students make the mistake of thinking that essay writing is only about filling pages with words, while in reality, of course, this is not so. It is more about presenting your ideas in a logical and meaningful way. The first step in writing an essay is always understanding the topic, as I have stated into my previous lecture as well, that first and foremost you must have some familiarity with the topic. Before writing anything, it is helpful to pause for a moment and think about what the topic really means. Sometimes topics may look simple, but they can have deeper meanings. If the writer does not understand the topic properly, the entire essay may move in the wrong direction. So obviously it is very important that the writer must have a sense of familiarity with the topic. After understanding the topic, the next step is thinking about possible ideas. This is the stage where the writer allows the mind to explore different angles of the topic. Here, the writer develops certain strategies and explanations that help him explain the multiple perspectives of the same topic. You can ask yourself questions such as, what do I already know about this topic? Why is it important? How does it affect individuals or society? These questions help generate ideas and make the writing process much easier. At this stage, it is very helpful to note down the ideas that come to your mind. These notes do not have to be perfect sentences, of course, they should be in the form of some written notes that are going to be helpful so that you do not miss anything and you do remember all the details. They can simply be short phrases or even key points as well. They can be any hints as well that are going to help you in writing. The purpose of writing them down is to make sure you do not forget important thoughts that may later become useful in your essay. For example, if you do want to add some quotation, you may add a hint of it. Once several ideas have been collected, the next step is to arrange them in a logical order. This is where planning becomes important. Planning helps you decide which ideas should come first and which ideas should come later. A well balanced essay feels organized and smooth, while an unplanned essay may feel confusing. And usually, an essay begins with an introduction that prepares the reader for the topic. The introduction should be simple and clear. It should tell the reader what the essay is about and give a general idea or understanding of the discussion that is going to be followed after it. Sometimes writers begin with a general statement about the topic to create interest. This helps the reader become curious about the discussion, because obviously if the introduction and starting is related to some idea that is startling or developing curiosity, the reader gets more curious to read the next portion of the essay. And after the introduction comes the main discussion of the essay. This part contains the major ideas and explanations. In this section, each paragraph usually focuses on one main idea. This makes the essay easier to read because the reader can clearly understand the writer's point one by one. And while doing so in writing these paragraphs, it is important to explain each idea properly. Simply stating a point is not always enough, because the simple statement is not going to lead towards understanding. The writer should try to explain why that point is important and how it relates to the topic. Adding examples can also make the essay more interesting and easier to understand. For instance, if someone is writing about importance of reading or importance of writing or something like this, which is related to academia, they might explain how reading improves knowledge, strengthens imagination, and develops language skills. They might also give examples of how reading books helps people understand different concepts and cultures, and how perspectives are better understood or apprehended by the people when they are going through the reading of some books. In the same way, the concept of empathy gets applied over to those who do have a better understanding of reading of the books. Another important aspect of essay writing is maintaining focus. While writing, the writer should always remember the main topic of the essay. Sometimes it is easy to move towards ideas that are interesting but not directly related to the topic. So, one should not break the link between it. When this happens, the essay may lose its clarity. Therefore, every paragraph should contribute to explaining to main theme of the essay, and there should not be some haphazard sentences related together on the name of a connection between the paragraphs, and they lead to no understanding of reader, and of course are a great source of confusion for the writer as well. The language of the essay should also be clear and natural. Many students believe that they must use very difficult words in order to write a good essay, but of course this is not so. However, the true strength of writing lies in clarity. If the reader can easily understand your ideas, the essay becomes more effective. And good writing also requires attention to grammar and sentence structure. Sentences should be complete and properly arranged so that the meaning is clear. The punctuation marks, if there are any, such as commas and full stops, they help guide the reader through the sentences. When punctuation is used correctly, the writing becomes easier to follow. Another helpful step after finishing an essay is proofreading. Proofreading means carefully reading your essay again to find mistakes or areas that can be improved. During proofreading, the writer may notice spelling mistakes, any unclear sentences, something which is not creating a good impression, some mistake in vocabulary or repeated ideas. Correcting these small issues can significantly improve the quality of the essay. Finally, every essay should end with a properly stated conclusion to a natural phenomena where the discussion is going to get an end. The conclusion should briefly remind the reader of the main points discussed in the essay. It should not introduce completely new ideas but rather summarize the message of the essay in a clear way. And obviously, this should have a proper summary of what has been stated in the upper portion of the essay, because a strong conclusion leaves the reader with a clear understanding of the topic and a sense that discussion has been completed. So, it is also important to remember that essay writing is a skill that develops gradually. You cannot expect yourself to be a perfect writer after writing your first essay, because no one becomes a perfect writer immediately. Like any other skill, writing improves through regular practice. The more essays a person writes, the more confident he becomes in expressing his ideas. So, obviously, practice is something which leads towards the success of essay writing. Reading also plays a very important role in improving writing skills. When you get a better input, you give a better output. When students read books, essays, and articles, they learn how experienced writers present their ideas. They observe how sentences are constructed, how arguments are developed, and how ideas are connected smoothly. So the conclusion should be uh, an understandable summary of the whole essay, and over time these observations naturally improve a student's own writing style. So one should be very careful while following these techniques, and in the end we can say that essay writing is much more than academic requirement. It is rather, of course, a life skill. It is a power tool for communication. It helps individuals express their thoughts, share their opinions, and contribute to discussions about important topics. So, one must be very keen and careful while writing essays and while understanding the essence of essays when he is reading. When students learn how to write essays effectively, they also learn how to think clearly and organize their ideas. These abilities are not only useful in academic life but also in professional and personal communication as well. Therefore, essay writing should be seen not as a difficult task but as an opportunity to develop thinking, creativity, and expressions. With understanding of the topic, careful planning, clear language, and regular practice, anyone can become a confident, good writer who effectively writes essays and makes his reading and writing more appropriate and meaningful. I hope it is understandable for you and you are going to get something better when you next time write your essay creatively. Thank you so much.